So today samahan nyo ako para makita nyo din yung process dito, no, ng pagkuha ng lisensya. So bali dito sa US bibigyan ka ng permit muna to drive yung motorcycle. Doon sa permit na yun hindi ka pwedeng mag-drive ng madilim, hindi ka pwedeng pumunta sa freeway o kaya sa expressway, at saka hindi ka rin pwedeng magsakay o magangkas ng passenger o kahit sino. Pwera lang kung yung angkas mo is licensed na motorcycle instructor. Sana maging okay ang lahat. Hirap kasi kumuha ng lisensya dito. Kailangan talaga. May train? May tren nga. Ayan, ang haba niyang tren na yan. Okay, so yan ang Oxnard guys. Nagkaka-traffic lang. O yan dito sa US sakali. Nagkaka-traffic lang sa mga train. Pagka may train nadadaan, siyempre hindi ko pwedeng tumawid. So yan guys, isang taon yung permit. Imagine na pwede ka mag-drive. Para ka rin may lisensya. Yun nga lang, may mga limitation. Para sa motor. Kunti lang dito yung mga nagmumotor guys. Karamihan pa yung malalaking motor talaga. Aba, merong motor din, no? May specific na parking ng motor dito guys eh. Tingnan natin. So ito yung DMV guys dito. Obviously hindi pwede mag record dun sa loob. So dito tayo. Ito yung parking ng motor guys. Ayan, motorcycles only. Ayun guys, so wish me luck. Tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. Okay guys, so medyo maaga daw tayo kasi 8:30 pa lang. Pero anyway, tinanggap pa rin. Actually 9 yung appointment natin. Pero gusto ko kasi hindi na late. Okay, so pinapunta na tayo dun sa lane 1. Lane 1. Papasok na tayo dun sa entrance kung saan pupunta para doon sa course. Dito tayo maglalabas mamaya. Pero punta tayo dun sa lane 1 para hintayin yung mag-a-assist sa atin para dun sa exam. Yung obstacle medyo mahirap siya para sa beginner. Intermediate pwede na siguro, pero kailangan presence of mind. Drive test verification. Lane 1. So sa lane 1 tayo. Lane 1 tayo pinapasok. Hintayin daw natin dito yung mag-a-assess sa atin. Good morning, sir.
Gonna park around to the curve, the red curve to the right.
Okay.
Know where the course is, right?
Yes, sir. Okay, so Pinapapark tayo dito sa course. So course ang tawag nila dito. Right side. Okay, so hintayin natin sila. So ayan yung course guys. Right, may dalawang line sa left. So ini-imagine ko siguro kailangan nandyan yung gulong mo sa loob, magkabila. Tapos merong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 na siguro lalagyan ng cone yan. So 5 na bilog, possible na lagyan ng cone. Tapos doon sa roundabout na yon, pasok lang yung dalawang gulong, no? So saktong sakto sa turn, sa mga turns. So yun yung natin, yun yung course natin.
So my name is George. I'll be your examiner today. Give me your score sheet here. Just put your signature on the top.
Here you go, sir.
Thank you. So begin, we're just going to make sure you know where certain controls are. Go ahead and show me the starter.
It's right here.
Okay. Kill switch.
Right here, sir.
Clutch. Throttle. Gear selector. Lights. Front brakes. Rear brakes. Turn signals. And then the horn. Alright, so the first set of skills are called Serpentine and Circle Ride. So we're right here. You're going to begin on the right cone.
Okay.
Left, right, and then you're going to enter the circle in a clockwise direction.
Okay.
Once,
Twice.
exit to the right, left, right, and then you'll begin where you are for the next set of tasks.
Okay.
So I'll read you the instructions. If you have any questions, just let me know. You begin on the right side of the cones. Weave slowly through the row of 5 cones. Go around the circle in a clockwise direction and ride twice around the circle and return by weaving once again through the row of 5 cones. Do not hit any cones and do not allow your front wheel to go outside the painted parallel lines or the painted lines for the circle. Do not allow a foot to touch the ground. Any of these errors would result in an unsatisfactory test result. Do you have any questions?
You're good.
Okay, you can begin whenever you're ready.
Thank you. So hindi pwedeng mababa yung magbaba ng paa.
So the second set of exercises is called a slow ride and circle ride.
Okay, sir.
So we're here. You're going to go up the painted parallel lines on the right.
Yes, sir.
You're going to enter the circle in a counterclockwise direction this time.
Counterclockwise.
And then you're going to exit the circle on its opposing parallel lines here. It's the same principles. Don't go outside the line with your front wheel and don't touch the ground with your foot.
Got it.
Beginning on the right side, ride slowly between the straight parallel tracking lines. Go around the circle in a counterclockwise direction and ride twice around the circle. Return slowly between the opposite set of parallel lines. Do not allow your wheels to go outside the painted parallel lines. and do not allow your front wheels to go outside the painted parallel line. Do not allow a foot to touch the ground. Any of these errors will result in an unsatisfactory test result. Any questions?
Got it, sir.
Okay. So when you exit here, instead of stopping here, you're going to come back around and you're going to meet me over there.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Whenever you're ready.
Got it.
The last exercise is called the gear shift ride. Ride the bike to the end, shifting gears up at least 2 gears, and then downshifting 2 gears. Turn around and return to this starting point. Once again, shift up 2 gears and then down 2 gears. So up 2 gears, down 2 gears, flip around, up 2 gears, down 2 gears. Do not allow your feet to touch the ground at any time except to stop. Accelerate smoothly and make a smooth stop at this location when you return.
Okay.
Allowing a foot to touch the ground or skidding when stopping will result in an unsatisfactory test result.
Okay.
Any questions? Passing.
Appreciate it. There you go, guys.
Park and then they'll help you inside.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Appreciate it. Okay, so ayun na nga guys, no. Pumasa tayo sa exam o sa drive test dito sa motorcycle drive test dito sa DMV dito sa US. So yan yung pinaka LTO namin dito. Hindi naman ako sa kinabahan, pero alam mo yon, every time naman na magte-test ka o iti-test ka ng kahit sino, meron pa rin yung konting pag-alala na baka makagawa ka ng mistake, diba? So luckily hindi pumalya yung motor, walang problema, okay siya. Naipasa natin yung test. So prior dito sa drive test na to guys, or drive exam, hindi ako nag-practice dito. Nag-practice ako siguro nung ginawa ko yung motor ni Cole, pero hindi pang practice yun, sinubukan ko lang eh. So matagal na akong hindi nag-practice dyan, kaya nag-alala ako na baka sumablay, pero luckily yun, chamba na naman. Malakas talaga tayo chumamba. So, naipasa natin. May lisensya na tayo. Bali, after 1 to 2 weeks, yun yung sabi sa akin. Parang sa driver's license din, marireceive mo yung lisensya mo through mail. So, meron na tayong lisensya para sa motor. So, ibig sabihin siguro, dalawa na yung magiging card na license ko. Para sa motor. O, para sa mga sasakyan. Isa para sa motor, isa para sa 4 wheels. Ayan guys. Ipakita ko na lang sa inyo yung yung parang registration o yung parang temporary driver's license na ibinigay sa akin. So hanggang dito na lang tong video na to guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Yan yung proseso ng pagkuha o ng exam dito sa DMV o yung pinaka LTO namin dito sa US. So thank you for watching. Kita-kits na lang sa susunod na video. Ride safe everybody. Okay guys, so after 2 weeks dumating na yung driver's license natin. Magkaiba yung mukha ko dyan. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero yung nasa taas, yan yung driver's license ko para sa 4 wheels. So kung makikita nyo yung nabilugan ng pula, Class C. So yan yung pang 4 wheels. Yung nasa baba naman, yung class niya, yung may bilog na pula is CM1. So pang 4 wheels yung C, tapos M1 pang motorcycle. So finally, nagkaroon na rin tayo ng lisensya pang motor after a year. Sinulit ko muna yung 1 year na permit para hindi sayang yung binayad ko. I think $45 din yung bayad doon. So yun, prior dyan sa na yan, driving test na yan, merong written exam. So nakuha din natin yung natsambahan ng 1 take yung written exam, tapos itong driving test na 1 take din natin. So tsamba lang talaga na naipasa natin. Okay, so hanggang dito na lang tong video na to. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung pagkuha ng driver's license dito sa amin sa US. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Kita-kits na lang abang sa mga susunod na videos natin. Ride safe everybody.